Hello everyone. Today we want to discuss about a very important cycle which is known as water cycle. Water is very precious. It is very necessary to survive. So water cycle keeps the water balance in the nature. Okay? So what water cycle do? It keeps the balance, the water balance in the nature. Okay? Now children, have you ever wondered how does it rain and what causes rain? So before this, first we will understand the two processes which is known as evaporation and condensation. Okay? So first we discuss evaporation. What is evaporation? Evaporation is the process in which water change into water vapor. Okay? Due to heating. Water change or convert into water vapor due to heating. Children, do you have to see in your kitchen when your mother boils the water? So what you observe? It changes into water vapor. Okay? Water vapor, it means steam. Okay? So the changing of water into water vapor due to heating, okay, is called evaporation. So this is the evaporation. Okay? Now next, children, have you observed in different water bodies like lakes, rivers, oceans, dries up slightly in summer season? Pond. Okay. Now lakes and ocean. So what causes dries up? Due to the heat of the sun. Okay? Sun give us heat. Okay? So due to the heat of the sun, evaporation from all the various water bodies like ocean, ponds, lakes goes on all the time. Okay? So what is the main causes? Sun. Now we understand the second process, condensation. Okay? Children, if we cover the boiling water with plate, you will observe the tiny droplets of water on the inner surface of the plate. This is the tiny droplet. Okay? Why does this happen? The steam or water vapor due to the boiled water cools down and change into tiny droplets of water. This process is called condensation. Okay. So condensation is the opposite of evaporation. Children, now we will discuss about water cycle. Okay. Water cycle. Children, on earth water is found in three forms. First one is solid, second one is liquid, and third one is gas. Okay. In solid form, for example, ice. Liquid form, liquid water. Okay. Water which can flow in liquid water. Okay. Gases like water vapor or steam. Okay. So these are the forms of water. Okay. So first I will give you the definition of water cycle. What is water cycle? So water cycle is the continuous process in which water change into different forms. Okay, like solid, liquid, gas. Water change into different forms. Okay. Now let us see how does water cycle starts. Okay. This is the mountain which is covered with the snow. River. Okay. Water bodies like ocean, sun. Okay. And there is trees. Okay. So when the heat of the sun, the ocean, rivers, lakes, water change into water vapor. Okay, and goes to the air and mix it. So this process is called evaporation. Okay. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, जो वाटर है वो किस में चेंज हो रहा है, वाटर वेपर में. Why? Heat of sun. Okay. Now, do you know, children, the leaves of trees also lose water. ठीक है, जो पत्तियां हैं ये भी क्या करती हैं, वाटर को लूज करती हैं, छोड़ती हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसपीरेशन. इसे हम क्या कहेंगे, ट्रांसपीरेशन. ओके, ट्रांसपीरेशन. सो ट्रांसपीरेशन गिव इवेपोरेशन. ओके. यहाँ पर जो वाटर वेपर बने थे, दिस वाटर वेपर goes on the air in the high, and when this water vapor meets the cold air, it changes into again वाटर। ओके, वाटर की छोटी छोटी ड्रॉपलेट्स में चेंज हो जाती है। When these tiny droplets come together and close to each other, it will make clouds. Okay, so here is the condensation. Okay, when these water droplets become heavy, okay, this water falls again back on the earth in the form of rain, hail and snow. Okay, so this process is called precipitation. Okay, sometimes it comes in the form of rain, sometimes snow, okay, sometimes hail form. Okay, so this is the process of water cycle. It is a continuous process in which water change into different forms, like here evaporation, here condensation, then transpiration, also precipitation. Okay, so here water change into water vapor. So water vapor क्या है, water की एक फॉर्म है. फिर देन यहाँ पे वाटर वेपर भी किस में चेंज हुए, वाटर में. अगेन फिर वाटर वेपर दोबारा से वाटर की फॉर्म में अर्थ पर आए, ठीक है, रेन की फॉर्म में, एंड स्नो की फॉर्म में आएगी. तो ये कौन सी फॉर्म है, सॉलिड फॉर्म. स्नो क्या है, सॉलिड फॉर्म. ओके, सो ये क्या है, कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस है. ओके, जो लगातार चलती रहती है अर्थ पर. सो आई होप today you have to learn so many things about water cycle. Okay, so thank you.